Chill and serve all types of refreshing beverages with the Arctic Refrigerated Beverage Dispenser by Ugolini. Designed, manufactured, and assembled in Italy, this compact and sturdy dispenser will meet all the needs of your restaurant, cafe, concession stand, or bar. Mix a variety of frigid fruit juice cocktails, lemonade, iced tea, coffee, and more with the Arctic's magnetic impeller system. And present them to your guests with the alluring cascading fountain effect within its crystal-clear, shockproof polycarbonate bowls. The Arctic Compact range is available in versions with 1, 2, 3, or 4 bowls that each hold 5, 8, or 12 liters, while the Arctic Deluxe range offers options of 1 to 4 bowls with 12 or 20-liter capacity for up to 80 liters of volume in a single dispenser. The smooth, stainless steel unibody construction is built to last and houses broad, durable drip trays to avoid accidental spills, making cleanup a breeze. Simple to use, versatile, and quick and easy to disassemble for thorough cleaning, it saves you time and makes your work simpler and more profitable. Offer your guests more and make the difference with the Arctic Refrigerated Beverage Dispenser by Ugolini.